Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use dice in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. As you can see here, that I need to use 5 dice to complete one of my weekly challenges. And maybe some of you are still confused on how to use the dice, but no worries. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you. So guys, basically you can use the dice to color your furniture, but you need to remember that only the crafted furniture can be colored by the dice. And to get the dice, you can go to the catching store. You can track catching on the map, okay? Or you can also get the dice from completing a challenge as reward. Okay, now I'm going to use the die. I'm going to color this chair. You're going to go to the toolbox and select this tablet, and you're going to select the furniture that you want to apply the die to, and you're going to click on this icon, then click on this menu, and you can choose the color that you want to apply to the furniture. I'm going to choose this one and click on confirm. Click on the check mark, and I've used the dice or applied the dice. Okay, as you can see, I've applied 2 dice, and just like that guys, you can use it to recolor your furniture in Heartopia. Okay, I'm going to recolor this table. I'm going to color it with this color. Confirm. Done. Oops, it's overlapping. Okay guys, and that's how we can use dice in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.